everyone, this is Craig Cohagen, sales manager right here at Permian Ford. I just wanted to take a moment and thank you so much for browsing our inventory. If you have any questions about anything you see, please give us a call at the number you see below. Thank you and have a great day.
Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, rear view camera, heated mirrors, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings,
come test drive the 2019 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes standard with a Vortex 6.2-liter and 5.3-liter V8 engine and an electronically controlled automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tow hitch, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Thank you for browsing our inventory. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 575-393-6176.